Imagine this, you wake up every morning excited, not dreading the markets, no fear of losses, no emotional panic, just calm, calculated decisions that work. Sounds impossible? Well, it isn't. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how a simple 90-day trading psychology challenge turned everything around for me and how it can do the same for you. The problem, let's be real, most of us start trading thinking it'll be easy money. But instead, it's a roller coaster of anxiety. You win big, you lose bigger, and before you know it, your confidence is shattered. Sound familiar? We've all Googled, is day trading just a scam? Haven't we? Here's the harsh truth. 90% of traders fail, not because they lack skill, but because they lack control over their mindsets. But what if I told you there's a proven way to fix this? And it's simpler than you think. The solution? This is where the 90-day trading psychology challenge comes in. Let me break it down for you. Point 1. The emotional reset. Step 1. Journaling every trade. Not just the numbers, but your emotions. Write down how you felt when you hit the buy button, when the price dipped, and when you closed. This isn't just reflection, it's rewiring your brain. Quick quiz. Which emotion costs traders the most money? Fear or greed? Stick around. The answer might surprise you. Point 2. The routine ritual next. Create a pre-trading ritual. It could be 10 minutes of meditation or a quick workout. The goal? Get into the zone. I started doing this and my trading shifted from impulsive chaos to focused execution. Point 3. The detachment. Finally, detach from the outcome. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But when you stop obsessing over profits and focus on executing your strategy, the results take care of themselves. I'll never forget the first week I did this. My account turned green, and it stayed that way. But the real magic? It came on day 90. That's when something clicked. The payoff. By the end of this challenge, I wasn't just trading, I was profitable. Consistently, the fear was gone. The overtrading? Gone. And for the first time, I saw trading for what it is. A skill you can master. And no, this isn't some gurus-only magic. I'm just like you, except with a lot more trade journals now. If I could do this, you can too. But you have to start now. Don't wait until next week or next month. The market doesn't wait for anyone. Want to know the strategy I used to double my returns during this challenge? Click on the video on your screen now. It's all about mastering entry and exit points, and it'll blow your mind. Start your journey today. See you on the other side.